ito ay alay sa'yo. Sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka, tumanda. Whenever you're sad, carry around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you fire if the furnace breaks. So it would be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you and I'll kiss you and give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya, bubuhatin mo ko pag merayo man ako. Kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahina ang tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman, mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Paglalaba pa kita pagtapos mamalansya, kahit abot-abotin man ako ng pasma. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda.
Happy anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. I love you.
Mommy, Daddy, happy 50th anniversary. Congratulations to the most incredible parents in the world. 5 decades of love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Here's to another 50 years. Congratulations.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. Then time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. All you still more. Your love, God, speed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me.